Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving into one of the most nostalgic names in Indian automotive history, the Premier Padmini. And yes, there's a lot of buzz about a 2025 revival. So let's explore the full story. History and legacy. The Premier Padmini was first introduced in 1964 by Premier Automobiles Limited, under license from Fiat. For decades, it ruled Indian roads as a stylish, compact sedan, offering a perfect balance of practicality and charm. From the 70s to the 90s, it became a cultural icon, loved by families, celebrities, and even used as the famous Kali Pili taxis in Mumbai. Classic specs and features. Under the hood, the original petrol version came with a 1,089 cubic centimeters engine producing around 47 horsepower, while later models also featured a 1,366 cubic centimeters diesel engine with better fuel efficiency. It had a 4-speed manual gearbox, a top speed close to 140 km per hour, and delivered excellent mileage up to 24 km per litre in the diesel variant. The car was compact but surprisingly spacious, seating 5 people comfortably. With simple mechanics, good ground clearance, and durable suspension, it was reliable for Indian roads. Variants and popularity. Over the years, Premier offered different variants like the BE Deluxe, Safari Estate, and the diesel-powered Premier President. But no matter the version, the Padmini stood out with its unique road presence and timeless design. End of production. Production continued until 2001, when stricter safety and emission norms forced the model to be discontinued. Even so, the Padmini remained alive in the streets of Mumbai as taxis, before being fully phased out in 2023. 2025 concept buzz. Now coming to the present, the 2025 Premier Padmini that you've probably seen online. These futuristic designs and renders are purely conceptual. Automakers have not officially announced a new Padmini, but fans and designers keep reimagining it with modern styling, LED lights, digital interiors, and electric powertrains. IT shows just how deeply this car is loved, that even today people dream of its comeback. Conclusion. The Premier Padmini may no longer be in production, but its legacy continues as one of the most iconic cars of India. Whether through vintage restorations or futuristic concepts, the Padmini will always remain special. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.